again.
You missed 4.
1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10.
You missed a couple more. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. You get good at your numbers. Are they right here? What are you doing with that marker, huh? We're coloring and we did our numbers. We wrote our numbers. Okay. Say bye-bye, Claire.
Bye.
Bye.